This is Open Touring Intermediate A-Main first hit. Drivers ready, marshals ready. Please wait for the door.
Ilang hit yun? Dalawa. Yung bibi. Parang dalawa. Sino?
Ay, third na pala.
Kaka-start lang.
Four minutes, 5 seconds. Race leader is Carl, 2 Raymar, 3 Sander, 4 Romy, 5 Wally, and 6 Jay. Fastest lap, 10.03 Carl. Two minutes, 55 seconds. Race leader is still Carl, 2 Raymar, 3 Sander, 4 Romy, 5 J, 6 Wally. Fastest lap remains 10.03 by Carl.
Okay, Carl and Raymar battling for... Ayan na, Raymar. Sabihin lang, abutan mo yan. Ginaya mo naman, Raymar eh. Kung ganun. Oh, Sander is now in second. Oh, diba? Okay, Romy is now in second. Sander third. Jay fourth. Fifth, Raymar. And sixth, Dawali.
Fastest lap ng 7 lap.
Hindi. Regardless ng process.
Ayan na nagsisimula.
Bawi. Doon sa mga sabihin lang kanina, bumawi kayo. We still have 1 minute and 40 seconds to go. So it's Carl, Romy, Xander, Jay, Raymar, and Wally. So Romy, Xander, Jay, and Raymar. Ay, ano nangyari? Okay, malaki ang gap ni Carl. Sander is chasing Romy for second place. Ayan na. Naka-overtake si Sander. Oh! Nalipat lang din niya si Kuya Romy. Napunta sa one way. Ayan na si Carl sa likod mo, Kuya Romy. Binangga ka, kitang-kita ko. Kitang-kita ko. Binangga mo yung upuan. 40 seconds remaining. Sander is now in second. Third is Jay. Nakalusot Kuya Romy si Jay. Nasaan si Jay at si Kuya Romy? Ayan.
25.
Oh, yung race leader natin, wala namang kalaban, napipressure pa. Nagkakamali pa. 9 seconds to go, 9 seconds to go. Buggy Pro, next Buggy Pro, get ready. Open to ring, intermediate AMA number 1, finishing order. First is Carl, second Sander, third Jay, fourth Romy, fifth Raymart, and sixth Wally.